Welcome back to FFL Boss Tutorials. We're going to be going over the manufacturing module today. And if you scroll right down here on the left-hand side, let's jump right into this. We can go right to the manufacturing of firearms. Now, this module is mostly designed as a conversion automation for changing a lower into a pistol or a rifle, SBR, SBS, etc. But basically, once you've subscribed to this particular module, you'll have the ability to manufacture firearms. Our system will automatically track your federal excise tax and create those forms for you. And then it also automatically will fill out the 5300.11 form, which is the manufacturing statement that you have to fill out and send to the ATF annually. So let's go ahead and click on Manufacture Firearm. As you can see here, the Manufacture Firearm pop-up comes up. What you're going to do is designate what that item currently is that you're going to convert into something else. Depending on what you designate here is what will show when you click on products. So if you acquire something as a lower, it will only show lowers. If you acquire frames, it will only show frames, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this and change it to a rifle. Now, as soon as I click on this products button up here, you'll see that it only shows me the lowers that have been acquired into the system. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a couple of these and really just show you how quickly the system will process this data. So as soon as I click Add Manufacturer, after choosing the manufacturing bound book, which is where the manufactured weapons should go, unless they are NFA items, I always like to put those into a Title II book. Go ahead and click Add Manufactured, and within just a couple of seconds, you've completely manufactured all of those items. Now, normally you would have to dispose of them to yourself, then acquire them from yourself to yourself, and designate them as whatever new item. This is a much faster, much cleaner way that tracks all of that and helps kind of automate that whole process for you. So that's really it for the manufacturing module. If you need it, I hope you love it. And again, as always, thank you for using FFL Boss, your FFL software provider.